Close that screen. Hi, good evening, everyone. In the last class, we have discussed exercise 1.3. First example, prove that root 5 is an irrational number. And after that, I have assigned some homework too. For example, prove that root 2, root 3, root 6, root 7 are irrational numbers. Hope you guys solved the examples, right? Do you have any doubts in that? No doubts. So in this class, let us discuss a continued part of exercise number 1.3, example number 2. Example number 2 is prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. Is a irrational number. So before moving to this example, let us discuss some basic concepts related to rational and irrational numbers. We know that rational plus irrational is equal to, what is the sum? Rational plus irrational is always irrational, not rational, is always irrational. For example, 2 plus root 3, 2 is rational, root 3 is irrational. The sum is, again it is irrational, so again it is irrational here. In this example, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. 3 is rational and 2 root 5 is irrational. So the sum is irrational. So let us prove this one. So which chalk can I use? Yellow color or red color? Which one? White. White. Yes, I am white too. Okay. White I will prefer now. Proof. Hey, don't talk. This is very important example. Look at the screen. Let us assume that the given number is there, no? The given number is a rational number. Here, 3 plus 2 times root 5 is a rational number. So after this, we know that all the rational numbers are expressed in the form of P upon Q. Am I right? So here, 3 plus 2 root 5 is also expressed in the form of A upon B. Is also expressed in the form of A upon B. 3 is equal to, 3 is a rational number. You keep rational number as it is and transfer irrational number to right hand side. A upon B minus 2 times root 5. Am I right? This plus 2 root 5 moves to right hand side. It becomes minus 2 root 5. Am I right? So the next step, 3 is equal to, here the LCM is B. Here it is B and here it is 1. 1 and B LCM is B. B how much is B? B1 is B. 1 how much is B? 1 B is B. Am I right? A1 is A minus 2 into root 5 into B is 2 times root 5 B. 2 times root 5 B. Am I right? The next step, 3 is equal to, so this is the last step actually. 3 is equal to A minus 2 times root 5 B upon B. You know very well. A is which number? Rational. A is rational. Then what about 2 times root 5b? It is irrational. 2 times root 5b is irrational. Because see, one rational into irrational. Product is always irrational. Product is always irrational. Rational minus irrational minus rational. Irrational minus rational. Again, the product is always irrational. Product is always irrational. It is just like infinity. You are adding something to infinity, again it will expand. Am I right? Again it is infinity. If you are multiplying something to infinity, again you will get infinity. If you are subtracting something from infinity, again you will get infinity. In the same way, if you are multiplying irrational number to rational number, you will get irrational. If you are subtracting some rational number from irrational number, again you will get irrational. If you are adding some rational number to irrational number, 3 is rational and root 2 is irrational, again you will get a irrational number. Am I right? Are you agree with this? Okay. Now let us come into the point. See here, left hand side, 3 is there, no? It is rational. 3 is rational. And what about right hand side? Right hand side is irrational. Because we are subtracting irrational from rational. Irrational from rational, you will get irrational. So right hand side is irrational. So LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to. First step it was, let us assume that 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. But at the end of the example, we came to know that this number is not a rational number because LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS side is rational, but RHS side is irrational. It is imbalanced. It is imbalanced. Therefore, the given number is irrational number. Clear? Any doubts? Sangram padtare? Any doubts? Girls, do you have any doubts? Boys, any doubts? So, if you don't have any doubts, please